to get the most out of this video. Breathe and meditate for about 60 seconds. Watch with positive feelings and intention. Speak affirmations out loud with energy. I am a strong-minded individual. I reach for my dreams every day. My actions will lead to success in the future. I am proud of what I have accomplished so far. I can achieve greatness. I can create a prosperous life. I speak my passion. I choose to believe in myself. I have the right to be successful. My skills will reap financial prosperity. Being successful and rich is in my future. My dreams are worth every sacrifice. I am a boss. I attract wealth and success every day. I am creating a path to financial success. I shine as bright as a star. I will manifest the destiny I want. I am grateful for what I have right now. I earn more every day. My path to happiness is a personal journey. I am confident. I am determined to be prosperous. I am brave, bold, and wise. I control my fears. They do not control me. My mistakes do not define me. I deserve good things in my life. I will achieve financial stability. I learn something new every day. I am enough. I will let go of my financial fears. My mindset is abundant. I can achieve everything I set my mind to. Wealth and prosperity are in my game plan. My actions will lead to abundance. I can achieve everything and more. I am working towards my future every day. I will enjoy the small victories. My positivity will open new doors to financial success. My confidence will inspire those around me. My motivation will let me reach my goals. My success is based on when, not if. I attract new opportunities naturally. I am a force to be reckoned with. I am attentive, willing, and able. I impress my team every day with my attitude. I seek the best because I deserve it. Every day is a new chance for accomplishments. My accomplishments are earned, not given. My job brings me happiness. My career brings me opportunities. My job provides me with financial independence. I am overflowing with creativity and intelligence. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I am talented. My skills open doors to new opportunities. Every day I gain my prosperity. I am prosperous and always will be prosperous. Money flows in my life in abundance. I am thankful. My job is my passion. I am thankful for the opportunities I have received. I learn something new every day. I am a hard worker. My determination is admirable. My hard work will provide me with wealth, prosperity, and affluence. I choose to be confident. I am stronger than my weakest days. I am happy with my success so far. I reach for more because I can achieve it. I am powerful. I can be whatever I want to be. My dreams are possible. Even when I fail, I learn what to do better next time. I have endless opportunities at my fingertips. I use my intelligence to achieve new heights. I love the challenge of life. I challenge myself every day to be better. Being successful and rich is in my future. Every day I take one step further towards financial success. My career will take me places. My career is my dream job. My career will help me achieve my goals. My career will lead to financial prosperity. Financial abundance is waiting for me. I won't stop until I meet my goals. My passion drives my success. Success is a mountain that I will conquer. I enjoy life's little moments as I journey on the path to success. My determination will guide me to prosperity. I am valuable. My hard work, passion, and intelligence provide lasting value. I produce high-quality work that will be seen by others. Others appreciate my drive and hard work. I am a valuable asset. My goals are a part of who I am. I accept myself, failures, and successes. I will fight for what I deserve. My goals will lead to financial independence and success. Never is not a part of my vocabulary. Success is part of who I am. I will be successful. The road to success is paved with my hard work. I will reach my goals. I will be prosperous. Today, I am grateful for